few people that ride that type of bike. So. Yeah, I don't know about that. Hold on. I want to go look. No, almost. Hold on. Everyone hold your horses. I'm turning around.
Well, we can't get a hold of her.
That's fine. I want to see what he was. As long as he's not rattlesnake, I'm grabbing him. That includes cottonmouth. Not grabbing it. Not grabbing that either. Oh my God, what is he?
Do not grab.
That's a do not grab?
I wouldn't grab it.
I think he's okay. Holy shit, he's fast though.
Let me see.
I don't know if I want to grab him now. You got me second guessing.
Don't grab him. Wait.
I mean, he doesn't have the pointy head though. He looks safe.
That looks like a moccasin.
No, because
he's safe. A gardener snake. That's the same snake his eyes are around.
There.
It's a wood snake. Oh, the giant
big old snake.
move. There he goes.
That's a dumb idea. There was a giant snake. I tried to grab it.
Oh, a snake?
Yeah, it was like 5 foot, 6 foot long.
Okay, that's all I was doing the road next to me?
Yeah.
Do I need to turn around?
No, we're catching up.
Oh,
okay. Are we connected now?
What did you?
I said, are we connected now?
Yeah. Me and Adam were connected, but you connected and then we lost up.
Whoops. This Mustang came out of nowhere. Yeah, no, because the moccasins have one that looks like an arrowhead, and so do the rattlesnakes. But I saw the size of it, and I was like, I don't really want to be wrong with a snake this big.
I'm like 90%.
Yeah, yeah. Well, that's cool. Maybe we'll see some more critters out here. Yeah, we were just cruising back there. Badger was trying to figure out his Senna, so we weren't doing anything crazy. Might as well, right? Oh, thanks. That was a mega crooked wheelie there. I tried to commit to it though.
Alright, we made it. Ripping.
The road's like hella right there because it like leans over into the other lane. Alright. Yeah. You didn't want to catch that? Good one. Right. That's where it was. I still don't understand what this thing is. And yeah, I mean, there's actually a gator right there. Oh, shit, there he is. You see him? Oh, there he goes. Damn. He saw a couple Florida men coming and he knew we were going to grab his ass. Really? Oh, there he goes. Is he already gone? It looks like Amanda's freaking out like she almost hit his ass or something. You Santa's almost dead. Did it really just die like that? That's funny. Oh. It got a little squirrely. Did you see it start to dance with me?